So I got one more day of shooting to do. The scenes for my last character in this video. I did a little bit of editing for day 2 of shooting a video where I did the first character scenes. I'm going to do the second character scenes today and then add those in, but I've been piecing it together. When you got it storyboarded, you can really shoot a video in one day. I've just been dragging because I'm trying to make sure that I spend time with my lady. I really could have shot this whole video on Saturday and had it edited by Sunday. It's good to have a couple of days to shoot. Got a couple of scenes that I don't even have to implement, or I don't even have to shoot for my second character because some of those shots are already captured in the first one. So.
Still trying to get my bearings about face. Standing in the corner of the space was a nigga with no.
Definitely want to change your camera. I mean your battery. I want to make sure your battery is good. I just charged this one up, so I'm putting a fresh one on.
Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts and then that
Okay.
inside starts moving.
Battery's in, fully charged. I already downloaded everything off of the camera, so storage is empty. Ready to rock and roll. About to go set this up. Day 3 is gonna have character 2, all his shots, and then, as you can see, I'm in wardrobe for character 2, and then we'll finish off with the outro shots and comes the light. Okay, so we lit up. You see, you got header, kicker, third light, like a filler light, add extra light to the subject, and the subject will be seated right in the chair, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and get these shot so I can hurry up and get it edited and get it finished and get it scheduled to post on the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, so when more videos come up, you'll be alert and abreast of the new goings-ons and happenings. Scene change. Scene change.
Nigga bugged out, bro.
Character 2 scenes are shot already. On to the outro. So, time to break it down and go stage it in the other room to finish up.
Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts and then that nigga in the inside starts spitting some shit back. That's how my conversation. My last night in Havana. Better not miss the flight. Never wanna be stuck in some shit again like this, alright? And I don't even know how I got here for real. Fucked up, woke up, slumping the chair and still trying to get my bearings about face. Standing in the corner of his face was a nigga with no face. But he spoke to me, hoping to see. I was a lost soul sitting at a crossroads.
We headed here to do the final scene.
for a question and said, then said, can I test your worth? Rhetorical. Who's worse, you or that nigga that don't even rap?
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, subscribe to my channel. Let me get a like down here so YouTube will know what's going on. And hit that notification bell also. And I mean, leave a comment too. Alright?
Against, I didn't know if this nigga was hot, so I said, why not? Fuck it. As he began to approach me, I could low-key see something in his hand smoking, but I didn't smell no tree. Now we inches apart, and then like a dot, he was in the place where I stopped.
Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts, and then that nigga in the inside start spitting some shit back? This how my conversation sound like.
My last night in Havana, better not miss the flight. Never wanna be stuck in some shit again like this, alright? And I don't even know how.